Good morning and welcome back to my channel, and welcome to a rather cloudy day today. I hope it brightens up later this afternoon. But this video is all about some sites outside the city of Luang Prabang, which include a couple of waterfalls and a Hmong hill tribe village, as well as a famous Mekong river cave with about 4,000 Buddha statues in it, as well as a whisky village, because they make lao-Lao there, which is rice whiskey. So where I'm standing at the moment is just outside the city centre, and I'm going to follow this road, or not this road right behind me, but the road that I'm currently on. I think this is Route 1 to our first stop, which is the Hmong village. So let's get going. Okay, so this is the Phosy Market on the outskirts of Luang Prabang, and we're just going to take a look around, see what there is. Okay, so we've got quite fake watches. Maybe they're legitimate watches, I don't know. Pretty good. And then obviously all your clothes and shoes. Load of shoes there. So we found the fruit and veg section. This enormous market, just goes on forever. Gives you some idea of what there is here anyway. So it's well worth having a visit. Okay, so we've reached the first site, which is this house and culture of Hmong, which is one of the biggest ethnic communities there is in Southeast Asia. There's about 4 to 5 million of them here. So this is a crossbow that works on a... He's doing a demonstration of this pig. Whee! Wow!
Of the crossbow, you can take your finger and your hand hide in the string, yeah. You hide his finger and make your aim on the corner to the arrow straight on the bird. When you're ready, your finger spread this one down.
Wow. So this lady's demonstrating spinning hemp. They use hemp to make their clothes, not cotton here. And then you've got different types of hemp here, yeah.
Yeah, after that we take it to put in a big pot. That's boil. After we boil with ash, the bark becomes to the soft.
Oh right, yeah. Let me feel that. Oh yeah, that is soft, isn't it? Yeah. Wow. So you just boil it, yeah. Okay. Mm. Yeah. Oh, and this is when she's actually making all the actual, yeah. Excuse the cockerel that's woken up. So this is grinding corn for using to feed animals.
The water inside is up.
Yeah.
After the water down, this is this, but it's by foot.
Very good, very good. Wow. A lot of stalls here selling bags and other souvenirs. Hello. Okay, so we've arrived at the waterfalls and it's quite some operation. It's very, very busy here. They're very, very popular, these waterfalls. I would go as far as saying that they're probably the most visited waterfalls in the whole of Laos. And you can take one of these electric buggy things to the first waterfall.
Take the next right.
That was mine, okay.
Oh, that's you doing it.
Sorry.
I thought it was the driver. I thought surely you must know where to go. Okay, so this is the main entrance. So here we are at the start of the waterfalls. And they've got a little bridge there, you can see they carry on going further up. This is a nice garden slash resort, because you can stay here as well. They've got some really nice new looking cottages here. But unfortunately it's gone past the lovely green fields of rice. It's all been harvested by the looks of it now. It's still very, very nice. They've got a restaurant here, cafe. We've got a little train here. So this is the village of Ban Xang Hai. I put the name up on the screen and you can correct my pronunciation if you want. But we've come about 20 kilometres north of Luang Prabang. This is the first of a few sites I'll show you to the north. And this village is famous all over Laos for producing rice whiskey called lao-Lao. And I can see a stall just over here behind my motorbike and the dog that's selling some of it. And it's meant to be 40% proof. But nobody really knows exactly how much alcohol there is in each bottle of whiskey here. So, and then some of them have got snakes in and scorpions. You can see, we can see some of the scorpions here. Look at it, and snakes as well. Can you see that? And then they've got like little bottles here of, oh, that's rice wine. So these different flavour. These ones here, black, different flavour, yeah. Oh right, okay, so it's different rice. Ah, black rice. Ah, I see. So they make some of this alcohol, and it's whiskey. It's got 15% on that one, yeah. 15, yeah. And this one, 50. Oh wow. And this one here is, oh, that's 50% as well. Wow. Ah, so that's the whiskey. Oh, I don't know.
15%.
So I try. Just nit-noi. I've still got to drive on the bike, so we're going to have some of this. Have a try, thank you. What's this like then? Ooh, it smells good. Yeah, it's not strong, is it? It's good. So that's 15%, yeah, that's good.
This one same, I got 15%.
But you add flavour, you put fruit? No? Oh, well, there's another one. I'll just give me another one here. I'll get drunk. Get Malmac. Oh, yeah, that's a good one, that one. I like. Kaloi Mac, that.
And you love how?
No. I don't.
And 50%.
Yeah. That's really good. The only thing is I have a long way on motorbike back to Chiang Mai, so this bottle will break in my motorbike, but yeah, very good. So rather handily, she's got a t-shirt here that explains how the whiskey's made, and she's saying that the rice is fermented in the jars for 7 days and it produces the 15% rice whiskey. So So like a lot of yeah, touristy villages, they make various clothes here, various fabrics, skirts and shawls on these traditional looms here. And there's a lady over here that's working on one. I'll just have a quick look. Sabadi. Ah, very good. Got a lot of clothes here. Yeah. Yeah. She's trying to sell me something. I motorside. No, my Hmong. She's got. So okay. Okay. All through this village, they've got these stalls here, selling pretty much the same thing. A bit more of a professional poster here saying how it's made, the rice whiskey. So this lady's just going to show me, so these are the jars where the rice, cow, which is the rice. Oh, she's got some here, isn't it? Yeah, so it ferments, yeah, wow. So I don't know what this is. Okay, he's showing me something green there, not too sure. Right, some kind of vegetable root he's making. And then this is the this is where they distill, and you can see here that it's coming out. Okay, so we've reached the small village of Pak Ou, and it lies at the confluence of the Pak Ou River, where it flows into the Mekong River. And basically this temple is named after that confluence, and it's also the jumping off point to take a boat across the Mekong to see the caves. But this temple, which is beautiful old temple, I think it originates from the 18th century, and then the whole complex was enlarged in the 20th century. And on the front of the temple here, it's got some lovely wall paintings. Some of them are faded and some of them look like they've been repainted recently. And then this building here is, I think, where they keep the Buddhist scriptures. Okay, so this is the mighty Mekong River again, and we're going to hopefully take a boat across the river to the other side, where you can see that really dramatic cliff face. That's where the Pak Ou Caves are, and they're full of Buddha statues. There are some steps up to them, but there's not that many. And this is the confluence of the Nam O River, where it flows into the Mekong just at this point. Okay, so I've just purchased a ticket to have my own boat across, and it only costs 25,000. I think per person they're charging 15. This is my driver. Cup chai. So he's just giving my change back. So I'm just going to get into this boat. Okay, here we go. Only took a couple of minutes. So here they've got a little map of the caves, a lower and an upper cave, and then they've got quite a lot of information here about, I think they're saying there's 4,000 Buddha statues inside. I didn't realise there was that many, but you'll see in a minute just how many there are. They're everywhere. There's a lot of information here. Okay, so we can follow these steps up into the entrance of the first cave just up there. Oh, a bit of a steep climb up. See here why there's 4,000 Buddha statues, because some of them are very, very small. Go all the way into the cave up there. There's masses of Buddha statues everywhere. Okay, so we're just about to go into the other cave, the upper cave, which is just along here where these people have just come from. Oh, there's quite a series of steps up to the upper cave. Oh, lots of steps. Okay, so we've reached a cave and it's very quiet. There's a couple of tourists with their tour guide just came out, so I think I've got it all to myself. you can hear me above the engine. That's where I'm going to leave off this video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, then why not give me a like and a comment down below, and why not subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you next time in the next video. Bye for now.